hundreds of millions of plays. Love games, still playing today, I'm a gamer. And what platforms are you going to develop for?
Okay, so right now I'm learning how to use C# and in different programs like Unity and Unreal. But for this program, I didn't have those skills in time, so I used Scratch, which is an online programming website.
Okay, cool. Why Flappy Birds? Why not shooters? Are you looking for more casual games where you're in and out in a minute, 2 minutes? Or are you looking for ones that have longer durations?
We thought that we would make a broad spectrum of games, and the first one that we came upon was, let's make a Flappy Bird game, because that was wildly popular when it came out, and so we did, and then so that was just one of the first games that we made. It wasn't for any specific reason.
So how long does it take to develop a game that's quality enough that you think someone will buy? Because it's one thing to get someone to download it.
Right.
It's another thing to get someone to put money towards it.
Right. So right now, with the program I'm using, I can make a game in a week.
So you keep saying you.
Yeah, I'm the person who can make the games.
I'm the sound guy.
Yeah.
And I'm the web designer, or like the one that gets the game out.
And he helps with ideas.
We're basically right now grouped in our teams. He and I work on the games. I make the sounds and stuff. He does the main programming and everything.
Yeah.
And they're like the website developers.
So they're more your marketers, you guys are more the developers.
Right.
Okay, and how did you come to $1,000? How did you
Right.
There's also
Like,
cost of acquisition.
so say our games cost $3. If 5 new people every day buy our games, which right now we have 3 of, which can expand, that would be $45 a day. And then if you take that and multiply it by 30, which is about the span of a month, you get 1,350, I think. And then expenses, we have to estimate that it would be around 1,000 because we aren't paying a whole lot for much. Like the way our expenses would go would be paying ourselves, taxes, maybe if you count electricity, if we have to pay people for access to copyrighted assets or something, we could pay for that, and that's all very minimal expenses.
So first of all, using Unity is awesome. Most people your age are not doing it. I would encourage you to do it. 3D modeling is only getting bigger. As I do a lot of e-commerce, there's a company called Shopify. I was at their conference this last year. One of the things that they're rolling out is 3D modeling of their products. So on the website, you can actually look at the product up close, use augmented reality, put the purse, your shoes, and your actual items next to the ones you want to buy. But the big thing they face is having 3D models. They need a virtual 3D model to be able to do it. So going into that area, it may not be games that you make money in. It may be literally, I need this pen, perfect pixel, as a 3D model so I can see it next to my book. And so I'd encourage you to keep going down that road. It's huge. It's really, really big area. It may not be games, just remember that. So just keep playing it.
So I'm not a gamer, so I don't really play games. So this is a different topic for me. So maybe just a few questions for the other people that are going to take this to market. So who's your target audience? Who do you plan to sell?
We're mostly targeting anyone that plays games, so, which is why we...
Any age group?
Yeah, any age group.
Okay.
So we're trying to make the games as simple and easy to enjoy or to play. So, for example, this is another game that I don't think we put up there. That's just simply just clicking, and you get points from that. And let's see how long you last clicking. Yeah, it's so simple on user surface. Yeah.
So how would you get people to know about these games? Like, where would you advertise them?
We were thinking.
Like, how do I find out that you have a game?
Yeah, we can like do friends of friends, like sort of things like, oh, hey, you like this game, please share it, and such. Or we got like some special rewards that's like, oh, hey, we shared this game to say 10 people.
So starting with sort of word of mouth type of activities. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Great.
Great idea. I myself am not a gamer either, but I'll take your word for the viability of this. First question is, are these games going to be like other games that people might have remembered from their childhood or that they might have learned in other places?
Well, some of them might be, but our idea is just have a broad thing. So some of them will be that, some of them will be something else, and some will be like a third genre or something. So just all different types of games that we can come up with in our imagination.
Do you have any copyright concerns for the games that remind people of other games?
Do you mean copyright issues right now, or like?
Yeah, the games you're building, are there any concerns that they're too similar to other games and might be copyrighted?
Well, one of them is kind of a joke, but yeah, that one we obviously wouldn't publish and market anything that could close to being under copyright law.
Okay, very good. The other question was around the marketing for the marketing folks. Have you thought about how much it will cost to, when you go past word of mouth, because word of mouth for a lot of products can only take you so far. If you need to reach a larger audience, have you calculated how you would do ad spend or what mechanism you'd use to advertise? Would it be Google pay-per-click ads? Would it be advertisements somewhere? Do you have any thoughts on that? Well, you may want to go back and take a look at your market numbers. I think for a low number like 5 acquisitions per day, you could sustain that with word of mouth. But to get anything of size, you probably want to look at how you're going to do your marketing. But great job, guys.